Hey guys, welcome to this course. Now before we jump into the interface of Grasshopper 3D, let's understand the basics of scripting or programming. Now we as designers have used basic CAD tools where CAD stands for Computer Aided Drafting. We have heard about AutoCAD, SketchUp, 3ds Max, etc. Some of you might even use some of these daily to create drawings and models. But as designers, we know that a lot of what we do is repetitive and iterative. Computers can do repetitive tasks better than us using programming languages like C++, Java, C#, Python, etc. Because once the code is written or the logic is written, it can be used again and again to generate multiple results. So basically, scripting or programming is telling the computer what to do multiple number of times using a programming language. So when we create 3D models using scripting or coding, they are known as parametric models. Let's understand the logic of parametric models in the next video.